Hello class. In this video, I'll show you how to create a hotel front desk with a 3D text type tool and Revolve tool. So first we'll go to create and go to type tool. We'll type a key at here and go to geometry and create curves from the type. And here we'll delete the 3D text is generated and we'll keep the curve. And zoom into the curve and go to control vertex and select the vertex, and you can hold on the V key to snap the vertex to the vertex on the bottom line, and then move it to the right. And same thing for the top vertex, hold on V key to snap it and then move it to the right. Alright, so now we have this basic shape and we'll use it for the body of the table. Hold on D key and then the X key to snap the pivot point to the center of the world. And then go to Surface, Revolve, and in the tool setting, we'll revolve it based on the Y-axis and revolve it based on 120 degree. Segment as 8 and apply it. So it'll revolve this curve in 120 degree and it'll generate this shape. And since it is a NURB object, so we have to convert the NURBs to the polygon. And in the setting, we'll set the U and V to 8. So when you convert to polygon, it'll have 8 subdivision on both X and Y. And we can hide the NURB object for now. And then select the polygon object and delete its history. So this will break the connection to the NURB object. Alright, so now we can go to the edge selection mode and select the edges on the top and hold on Control K to delete. And same thing for the bottom. We don't need these actual edges. Alright. And then we'll go back to object mode and we'll use the insert edge loop tool and we'll create 3 edge loops that match with the edges on the left side, and later on we can bridge them together. So now select the edges on left and right and we'll bridge. And for the segment as 0 and apply, and it'll bridge, it'll fill the hole. Same thing for the left side. And go back to object mode and use the insert edge loop tool to add some edge loops around the corner of the model. So this will keep the shape when we smooth the object. Now go to mesh and smooth and apply it twice. So the model is smooth and you can see that the corners are still sharp. Alright, so now let's create the countertop. So go to create and type tool again. We'll type a letter I and then we'll create a curve from the text. And we'll delete the 3D text and we'll use the curve and rotate it in 90 degree and move it up and align it to the table, scale it on the Y-axis and hold on the D key and X key and move the pivot point to the center of the world. So now let's go to Surface and Revolve, and this time we'll revolve it in 140 degree along the Y-axis and apply. And rotate it in 10 degree along the Y-axis. So this will make sure that the countertop is aligned with the body. And then we can convert the NURB object to the polygon object and keep the segments at 8. And delete its history, so it'll break the connection between it and the NURB object. And then we can hide the NURB object. And we can delete the actual lines on the top, and then select the 2 edges on the side and apply bridge so it will fill the hole. And then in the object mode, we can use the insert edge loop tool to add some edges along the corner of the countertop. And also we can select the side edge and apply a bevel and add some segments to smooth it a little bit. And now we'll select the whole thing in object mode and apply smooth twice. So this will create the countertop. And this is the whole workflow of how to create a front desk with the text type tool and the Revolve tool.